up, it's Chanki again here, and today I'm here with something new for you guys. So today we are going to do a makeup look for the beginners. Like, so many people are here who don't know how to do the makeup, what are the things in the budget, or how you can apply the things on your face so it will not look the cakey or something like more on your face. So today we are going with the just a basic look, and I'm explaining you how to do it step by step and what are the basic things we are using today, which you can buy easily from your any street store or any kind of beauty shops. So let's get started. सो गाइज, जो सबसे पहली बात है वो है स्किन की प्रिपरेशन. लाइक हमारी स्किन बिल्कुल परफेक्ट होनी चाहिए मेकअप के लिए, एंड दैट इज नॉट द थिंग कि सबके पास परफेक्ट स्किन होती है. किसी के पास ड्राई स्किन होती है तो किसी के पास ऑयली स्किन होती है. अगर हमारे पास ड्राई स्किन है तो उसके लिए हमारी स्किन परफेक्टली मॉइस्चराइज होनी चाहिए, और अगर हमारे पास ऑयली स्किन है तो हमें उसे परफेक्टली ऑयल बैलेंस करना होगा. सो फॉर द ड्राई स्किन वी विल फर्स्ट अप्लाई द मॉइस्चराइजर, एंड फॉर द ऑयली स्किन we need to apply the moisturizer, but it should be the oil control moisturizer. But before that thing, first we need to clean the skin. So let's get started by cleaning the skin. So here we are using wet wipe to just clean the skin, and it will take out all the dirt from your skin or any impurities if you have. After this you need to apply the moisturizer. So यहाँ पे हम लोग L'Oreal का moisturizer यूज कर रहे हैं. So we will take 2 or 3 drops and just apply it on skin. You need to properly massage your moisturizer so it will absorb in your skin, and which will provide you a healthy skin for your makeup. So after applying the moisturizer, you need to wait for 2 minutes. Next thing we are gonna use is the Base Magic Primer by the L'Oreal. And ये वो चीज़ है जो आपके मेकअप को लॉन्ग स्टे करवा सकती है और आपकी स्किन को फ्लॉलेस लुक दे सकती है. So we are now applying the primer to the skin. So we need to take the dots of the primer on the whole of your skin. Apply it most on your T areas. And massage it very well. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. So अब यहाँ पे हमने जो प्राइमर है उसे अच्छी तरीके से अपनी स्किन के साथ ब्लेंड कर लिया है. Or you can see by yourself when you apply the primer, it will give you a very healthy skin or like soft looking skin. नेक्स्ट थिंग हम लोग जो यूज करने वाले हैं वो है कलर करेक्शन पैलेट. सो करेक्शन हमारी स्किन के लिए इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि जब हमारे पास ये डार्क सर्कल होते हैं या कोई डार्क स्पॉट होता है आपकी स्किन पे, तो वी नीड टू फर्स्ट कवर इट विद द करेक्शन पैलेट, एंड देन वी नीड टू अप्लाई द फाउंडेशन सो योर डार्क सर्कल और डार्क स्पॉट है जो वो आपके मेकअप के ऊपर ना दिखे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द करेक्शन पैलेट. यहाँ पे हमने यूज की है ये RCO की पैलेट. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look. And as per the Indian skin, people most of have the dark lines beside your lips, so just don't forget to apply the correction there. And then you need to blend it with the beauty blender or any of the sponge you have, as this is the look for the beginner. No, every people have the beauty blender. So here we are using the sponge. And आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे मैंने डैबिंग मोशन से इसको सेट किया है अपनी स्किन पे. So now you can see my dark circle cannot be easily found. अब जो हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप है वो है फाउंडेशन. सो फाउंडेशन वो आपकी पूरी स्किन को कवर करेगा, ना कि ओनली आपके डार्क सर्कल या किसी पर्टिकुलर एरिया को. बट द वन थिंग, इफ यू आर बिगिनर, जस्ट डोंट गो विथ मच प्रोडक्ट. आपको बहुत ही कम मात्रा में यूज करना है फाउंडेशन, लाइक 1 or 2 ड्रॉप्स ओनली. उसको आप अपने पहले हाथों पे ले और डायरेक्टली उसको स्किन पे अप्लाई ना करें. हाथों पे लेके उसको स्पंज में ले और फिर उसके साथ डॉट डॉट करके अपनी स्किन पे अप्लाई करें और फिर उसे ब्लेंड करें। सो यहाँ पे हम जो फाउंडेशन यूज कर रहे हैं वो है लॉरियल इनफॉलेबल रेंज प्रो मैट फाउंडेशन इन द शेड 106 सनबीम। So you can see here I have taken only one drop of the foundation. I have taken the sponge. I'm making the dots over my face.
So when you stop paying so much attention,
And I'm gonna blend them now.
when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down.
So आप लोग अब देख सकते हैं मैंने फाउंडेशन अप्लाई कर लिया है और जो स्किन का कलर है वो सिमिलर हो गया है। अब द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी हैव टू डू इज टू सेट द फाउंडेशन। इसको सेट करने के दो तरीके हैं, या तो आप कॉम्पैक्ट यूज कर सकते हो और या फिर आपको ट्रांसल्यूसेंट पाउडर यूज करना पड़ेगा। सो अगर हम यहाँ पे बिगिनर के रूप से मेकअप कर रहे हैं तो ट्रांसल्यूसेंट पाउडर विल नॉट बी इजी फॉर यू। सो हियर वी गोना यूज द compact powder and which is also from the L'Oreal. Here we are using and it's from the infallible range Pro Matte in the same shade. And just lightly dab it on your face.
Keep it softly spoken with no strings tying you to me.
So you can see the base of your makeup is ready now.
My love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the
अब जबकि हमारा फेस का बेस पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया है, अब हमें फोकस करना है पर्टिकुलर वन थिंग पे। लाइक अब हम जाएंगे आईज की ओर। सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग फॉर द आईज यू नीड टू ड्रॉ योर आईब्रोज, बिकॉज जब तक हम लोग आईब्रोज डिफाइन नहीं करेंगे हमारा मेकअप का लुक नहीं आने वाला है। एंड अगर आप एज अ बिगनर अपना मेकअप कर रहे हो तो आप सिंगल कलर के साथ अपने आई शेड करने वाले हो, तो उसके लिए आपका आईब्रो डिफाइनिंग उसके लिए ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा ताकि वो आपके आईज को पॉप अप कर सके। सो हियर we are going with the eyebrow defining right now and I'm giving you the one trick. अभी अगर आपने मेकअप करना शुरू किया है और आप eyebrow defining gel या any kind of powder आप परचेस करना नहीं चाहते हो तो उसके लिए मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक ट्रिक दे रही हूँ कि अगर आपके पास कोई भी पाउडर आई शेड्स है तो आप अपनी जस्ट ब्रश को वाइट करें, एनी ऑफ द ब्राउन ब्लैक कलर यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम योर आई शेडो and you can just apply it as your eyebrow defining color and it will goes really good. And here today for you guys I'm doing the same things. हम यहाँ पे यूज करने वाले हैं Maybelline की palette and we are using this brown black color for the eyebrow defining. So first of all I will wet my brush.
I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan.
So here I have defined them, and for the eyeshadow now we are just going with the one color, and for that here we are using the L'Oreal palette. So we will take one brush, we will take the brown color as we will apply it on the eyelid.
I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
If you need to just create the little bit shimmer look on your eyes, so here we are using this glitter color and we are applying it with the fingers on your eyelid. I'm just taking this color and applying it on my eyelid.
But I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
That's how we turn it. You can see the difference between both the eyes. The glitter will pop up your eyes easily, and for the other same as well.
So when you stop paying so much attention,
Now it's the
in
turn
another direction.
for the eyeliner.
Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said.
Now for the eyeliner, आप कोई भी तरह के eyeliner यूज कर सकते हो, चाहे आप ink eyeliner यूज कर सकते हो, चाहे आप gel eyeliner यूज कर सकते हो. Ink will be easy for the beginners, but gel is hard to use. On the other side, वो ज़्यादा देर तक स्टे करती है, so आप अगर किसी भी लॉन्ग डे के लिए जा रहे हो तो you should use the gel liner, but which will ask for the more practice. So I am suggesting you to start from the ink liner and then you just gradually practice, and then you can do it easily with the gel eyeliner as well. So here I am using the gel eyeliner, which I am usually using for my daily routine. You can use whatever you have. So here I am using the liner, gel liner from the L'Oreal.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my
So I'm starting from the end.
You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.
You can see
Fully aware
I'll apply
this is a
it
flash
on
in
my
the
one
pan,
eye.
but we can still have fun for now.
So you can see the liner is perfect
You
now,
stop paying so much attention
and you can use the same
when you're moving
gel
in
eyeliner
another direction.
as your kajal too.
Don't worry, I get it.
So we will apply it on
I
our
meant what I said when I
waterline.
said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down.
And the next thing for the eyes is applying the mascara. And this is the favorite thing of mine, makeup look.
No, I never
So here we are using the mascara by the L'Oreal Voluminous.
I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still
So I'm giving you the one trick for applying mascara. Like बहुत ज़्यादा people कहते हैं कि अगर हम mascara करते हैं तो वो हमारी eyelid पे touch हो जाते हैं या हमारे face पे touch हो जाती है. तो whenever you are doing the mascara, when you are doing the upper mascara, just look up and apply it on your eyelashes.
I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free.
And अगर आप अपनी lower lashes पे mascara कर रहे हो तो you can just look
I
down.
wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
अब हम यहाँ पे ब्लशर अप्लाई करेंगे. अगर आप ब्लशर पर्सन हो तो आपके पास ब्लशर ज़रूर होगा, और अगर आप ब्लशर पर्सन नहीं हो तो here is one more trick for you guys, that you can use any of your pink or peach eyeshadow as your blusher. So here I'm doing the same thing. I'm using the eyeshadow palette from the color Essence and using this peach color as my blusher.
Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
You can see that pink glow on my cheeks, and the last thing we have to do is the lipstick. You can go with any of your favorite color, and here we are using the Maybelline Matte Ink with the shade 70 Amazonian.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
And here our look is ready. Let's get to final look.
Oh, we can still have fun for now. We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun.